Welcome to another how-to video. In this video, let me show you how you can unlink a Google account from Honor of Kings. While we are in the Honor of Kings app, click Settings, which is located at the top right of your game screen. While you are in the Settings tab, click Link Social Media Account. As you can see, my Google account is linked. To unlink, click Unlink in Google. The verification will be sent to Gmail, which you need to click Send in Honor of Kings, which means you have to check Gmail. After seeing your verification in Gmail, type it in Honor of Kings and click Confirm. And that's it. That's how easy you can unlink a Google account from Honor of Kings. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.